In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Modeling Toolkit to adjust your shapes to more precisely contain the shapes that you're aiming for. So we can see we start with a cube, and I'm in the Modeling Toolkit menu. I have vertex, edge, and face selection tools. So I can select the face and just move that face up and down. I can select the edge and just move that edge. I can select a vertex and just move that vertex. So that cube has 8 vertexes. And we have all of these tools down here that will do additional things. So for example, if I switch to face mode, I have edge, vertex, and face there as well. That's holding down right click. I can extrude that face upward. Now I have 12 vertices. And I can extrude out from each of those other faces. So I can also hold down shift and extrude with the move tool. All right. This multi-cut tool is going to allow you to add additional vertices in the center. So I turn on multi-cut and then I hold down Control, and that allows me to cut all the way around an object. So with that multi-cut tool activated, I can move. Now I have a peaked roof and another peaked roof. Maybe this is a church. But if I want to make it more like a house, I can select vertices and slide those down until they line up on that side. I can select vertices over here and slide those down until they line up on that side. Now I have that kind of classic peaked roof, suburban style McMansion house. Okay. So I can also multi-cut to make a door. There we go. Coming in, making the top of the door. And if I select that face, gotta turn off multi-cut, select that face and push it. Oh, I accidentally moved it. Extrude. So I can move it in or out. So I have now dropped that face back just a little bit to make an inset door.